In this video, I'm going to show you how to change image size in Photopea. To begin, open your project in Photopea where your image is already placed on the canvas. Once the project is open, look at the Layers panel on the right side of your screen and make sure your image layer is selected, because resizing will only work correctly when the correct layer is active. The first and quickest way to change the image size is by using transform controls. From the left-hand toolbar, select the Move tool. After selecting it, go to the top options bar and enable the Transform Controls checkbox. As soon as this option is enabled, you will see handles appear around your image. You can click and drag these edges or corners inward or outward to resize the image visually. This method is best when you want to resize freely without worrying about exact measurements. If you need precise control over the image dimensions, such as resizing to an exact width or height, click on the Image option from the top menu. From the drop-down, select Image Size. A dialog box will appear showing the current width and height of your image. Here, you can choose different units like pixels, percentages, inches, or centimeters depending on your requirement. If you want to maintain the original proportions, keep the aspect ratio locked. If you want to resize freely, simply disable it and enter your desired values. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click OK, and the image will resize accordingly. And this is how you can change image size in Photopea.